How to Make a Pinterest Account 2025. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a Pinterest account in 2025. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. First, download and install the Pinterest app from your device's App Store, or go to pinterest.com in your web browser. Now open the Pinterest app or website. Here, you'll see option to sign up. Tap the Sign Up button. A new window will pop up. Enter your email address. Next. Create a strong password, then tap Next. Enter your full name and age. Select your gender and tap Next. Choose your country or region and tap Next. Pinterest might ask for select topics that interest you. Choose some tilts that interests you. This helps Pinterest personalize your feed. Next. If prompted, complete any verification steps such as confirming your email address. You'll be taken to your new Pinterest home feed. You can now customize your profile and start saving pins. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful guides. Also, let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.